Amy asked me something like about like how many subscribers I had or something, how many I had, and I was like, Amanda asked me the other day like what my fans would be called. And Amy was like, really? And I was like, yeah. I said they're called idiots.
You have like probably a foot above your head.
I don't see any feet up there. No, hey, what's up, you guys? So uncomfortable with someone watching me.
You want me to leave?
Yeah, just get out of here. Go, go, go. No, I'm kidding. I have said many a time before in my YouTube channel that I'm allergic to gluten. It confuses a lot of people because I still eat gluten. The thing with that is that I am allergic to it. I just still eat it. It's not like I'm not allergic. I am. I just choose to eat what I'm allergic to. So I'm in a kitchen where I belong as a woman. Amanda's like, cut that out, don't keep it in. I don't know how to bake though. I'm crying right now.
It is a sad thing.
It is. I don't know how to bake, but my cousin Amanda knows how to bake. And she's back there. Come on, Amanda. Hello. You want to help me bake?
Yes.
Cool. What's baking today again? Cake.
A lemon cake.
Yes, a lemon cake. It's going to be very delicious. A lemon cake with buttercream frosting.
Yeah. And it's gonna be 2 tiers because I don't mess around.
We went out together and bought the ingredients today. You can see that now. I'm just gonna play right after I'm done talking here. Amanda bringing reusable bags. So smart.
Gotta save the planet, yo.
Yeah, I agree. We're off to get our gluten-free ingredients.
Yes.
She looks cold.
Well, let's run into the store. We need almond flour specifically.
Okay.
Because I have this stuff. Oh, I guess it's probably all they have.
We had to come to Superstore because Safeway didn't have all the stuffs we needed.
Rude. Poor selection of gluten-free flour. Disappointed.
Poor selection, Safeway.
Enormous onion to my face, and he's like, onion, onion, onion. It's not here.
Not Safeway either. So now what?
Sobeys.
Sobeys. We couldn't find almond flour. Is the moral of the story.
3 different stores. First thing is preheat the oven.
Heated.
Done. Second thing is to put parchment paper on the bottom of your cake pans. We are not doing that because we have Pam.
You're very accomplished at making cakes, aren't you?
I'm trying to up my cake game this year.
I appreciate that. Oh, big boy. A large bowl is required.
Weave together softened butter and sugar and mix until fluffy. Always insert these
When it's off.
without it being plugged in.
Good tips, good tips. The butter smells really good. It's distracting me. It's literally just butter. It smells like popcorn.
Well, I'm really good at making popcorn. We have a million spatulas because Mom loves giving her spatulas for every season. Christmas, Easter, Valentine's. There was another one, but I broke it.
That looks like baby barf.
Are you familiar with that?
Yes, I've seen it.
Same.
Butter tastes gross. Oh, it tastes like sweet butter.
Sweet butter.
Sweet butter.
It's my stripper name.
Camera died, so we're gonna film some more with my phone.
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Lemon extract.
Lemon extract.
Pure.
Pure.
That looks disgusting.
You can turn that on, yeah.
No, okay.
That feels gross. I like it though. Actually, I really like lemon.
I always would say when I was a kid,
Ow.
I'd be like, I don't have a favorite color, but if I had to choose, I'd probably pick yellow. That's so dumb. Just meant my favorite color was yellow.
Gluten-free.
Oh, it's a different color. It is. The garbanzo bean.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. I've never had that before.
Also, never measure salt.
Salty lemon. Salty lemon cake.
Is that your stripper name?
Salty lemon.
Salty
Perfect.
lemon with sweet butter.
We decided that we're gonna like use pieces of this to decorate the cake.
Slices.
Yeah, like
on
slices
top.
of it. Yeah, it'll look so cute.
Like a shot.
Protein. Oh, because the
Fun.
yolk is like the dead fetus, isn't it?
It's not dead.
Okay.
It was never
The
fertilized.
never fertilized fetus. Then it's not a fetus. The never fertilized egg. Yeah.
Fun fact.
Sex. I'm just kidding.
Fun fact. If you hit 2 eggs together, only one of them will ever break.
Do it. Science.
It's just blood spots, because if you scare a chicken...
I remember you telling me that when I was little.
Yeah, then they'll get blood spots in the eggs, and that's what those are. So these chickens were scared. They were afraid. They were petrified.
Stop.
I'm here all night.
It's like a chicken's period.
Disgusting.
Yep.
Ew. Ew, I have yolk on me. Is there anything like, I don't know, like what's like a flavor that like goes with lemon even?
Try rum. Let's do it.
Imitation rum.
Not pure rum.
It's not real rum. Although,
Ooh.
spiced rum.
Update. We don't like it with the rum flavor in it. We fucked it up. So we put in more lemon.
Hopefully it'll taste better cooked.
Ooh, it's still...
Yeah, it's still gooey in the middle. I'm not even gonna poke it, you can tell. Oh. Oh, it's still gooey.
Trying the cake for a third time, see if they work. It smells extremely lemony. That looks beautiful.
It does.
Cake!
Amanda, in many hours.
It's been many hours. We watched Dirty Dancing, a great movie.
Classic.
A classic. It's on Netflix now. Cake has cooled. Now we're gonna icing it.
We are gonna ice it.
First we have to make the icing though, so.
Oh yeah. The
That'll
time
be
of
right.
my life. Yeah, it will be. I just love butter.
Sweet butter. The video is gonna be so weird.
My videos are weird.
I know.
I know.
We need vanilla. Also, again, not gonna measure it.
That seems like a lot of vanilla.
Lemon extract.
Not rum extract.
No.
That's what good pussy sounds like.
I'm gonna go over here.
Okay, bye. Welcome back to my channel.
I'm putting some icing sugar in.
Stir, 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 stir. Mix that bitch.
I will. A fun fact for icing double layer cakes. Put a little bit on here.
Oh, to like stick it?
Yeah.
Hack. You sounded so cynical when you said that.
Wow.
Hope she doesn't break. She's beautiful.
Look at that.
Wow, what a beauty. Wow. Flatten her on there.
Cute.
Cute. Scoop that. Oh.
I want to point out though, this cake doesn't look like a gluten. Oh.
Oh.
I was just gonna say it doesn't look like a gluten-free cake.
Yeah, no, it's like normal cake. It's very nice. It has become moonlight time.
It's like 10:30. You got here at 2. Also progressed. Leah is now staying the night
Yeah.
because of this cake.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not mad because I literally didn't have any plans for today. Do you have plans today?
No, not really.
Okay.
All I had to do was cake. Cock, if you're Sarah.
So much icing left still.
Oh, wow.
I think
Sorry. If I ever get married, would you make me a cake instead of me paying for one?
of course.
Of course.
Unless I become famous with that.
Or I
No,
won't get
I'll
married.
still make you a cake for free.
Thank you. Okay, I'll never get married.
Never?
Like anybody would want to.
Are you ready for this again?
Yes. Plah. Plah.
I haven't tried actual cake yet.
Yeah, no, we haven't. Ice cream cake, but DQ ice cream cake is not gluten-free. So for my birthday, we should make an ice cream cake.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. I feel like we need to have a bride and groom on top.
I know.
Neither of us are getting married.
Leah.
Oh my gosh! I'll never get married. Like anybody would want to.
And you thought no one wanted to marry you.
Surprise! Just my cousin does.
I'd be lesbian.
Thank you. I would also be a lesbian for you. I'd be a lesbian for a lot of people, honestly. I think I'm a real lesbian. I'm just kidding.
There's nothing wrong with that if you want to.
Nothing wrong if you wanna. Oh, I like girls and boys. I really want to put orange slices on. Yellow. I was gonna say a yellow.
A yellow slice.
A lemon. Not an orange, it's a yellow.
Where did the lemon go?
It's right there.
Oh. Actually, I don't like lemon cake. Like, I like it, but it's not like my favorite or something that I would normally do. We should do pack. Just kidding.
Ooh, I know. Just wait. That's the eyes, and then that's the mouth. Cute, he's happy. Oh.
It's a toucan. Let's.
I forgot to videotape it, but we made icing. At first we wanted it yellow, but we decided to make it slightly orangey yellow, and now it's just very peachy orange. But that's okay. I'll make it special.
Okay. Wow, I kind of love that.
I think it looks beautiful. Really proud because
I mean, you did a bit, okay?
you did a bit. Why would you do that to me?
Texture. You want some more?
No, I don't. Do you want some?
No. It's like on your.
I can see it. Crazy boy.
I'm a female.
We're not gonna sample the cake tonight because we both don't feel like cake tonight.
Oh.
No. We'll sample it tomorrow morning for breakfast, I guess.
The next day.
Good morning, Amanda.
Good morning.
It's the next day.
It is our reveal
Reveal.
overnight.
Ooh.
Let's see how it is. Hopefully it's not gross.
Hopefully. Not fully come out. Oh.
Wow.
Smells like lemon. Gonna try this cake.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's a good consistency. Yeah. Like, it doesn't taste like. It doesn't have the taste of gluten-free cake.
Tastes good. We did it.
Wow.
I did not think it was gonna taste good.
High five.
High five. We did it.
Yay. Like, it's really good.
Yeah,
It is not like overpowering.
No.
It feels dense, but it's not.
Yeah. When like literally the cake act like feels heavy, but like when you eat it, it doesn't feel like that.
No. We did it, guys.
We did it. So more cooking videos. If you like it, like this video, we'll make some more.
10,000 likes.
You gotta like it.
I will like this video. Actually wasn't hungry for cake, but now I am.
Right? It's actually really good.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
I'm proud.
Me too. We done did it.
We done did it. Is this the end of the video?
I think so. Bye.
Do you want to do it? Let's do it.
Got mystery Oreos. We gotta figure out what they are.
It smells like a candle.
It really does, honestly. Like it smells like a holiday candle. How is it?
It's good. It tastes different than it smells, though.
How is it? To me, it doesn't taste like how it smells. It just tastes like regular icing. It's a very familiar scent.
Yeah. Wasn't it with you when you got my cake pans? Two of my favorite things in this life.
Cake and pan?
Sure.
We're both wearing aprons because we're bakers. Now let us bake. Do you want to get baked before we bake?
We could. Are you gonna make a YouTube channel? Yes. Everyday people like you.
Moving on.
Okay, you're gonna get copyrighted.
Oh yeah.